page lease as a college student, you know how it feels like it's written in a different language. In this video, I'm going to show you how our company, CampusKey AI, uses Claude AI to not only read and explain leases in plain English, answer student questions about their housing, but also automate a lot of repetitive customer support tasks. By the end, you'll see how tools like Claude AI can plug into a platform like CampusKey AI to make off-campus housing way less stressful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Claude AI. We are going to take a drafted PDF lease or like an example rental agreement, and I'm going to show you why Claude AI is basically, in other words, like a cheat code to understanding lease agreements. So we put in the rental lease agreement, right? And now we're going to ask Claude AI to show us monthly rent, comma, let's say security deposit, let's say the lease length, what else, maybe move in and move out date, late fees, and let's do pet policy. So now we're going to see what Claude AI shoots out for us. So instead, this will be on our CampusKey's website, and you'll be able to see this through Claude AI, using Claude AI. As you can see, I will pull up the lease agreement for you to show you what it actually looks like before we go debrief the other version. This is the entire lease agreement here. So plugging into Claude AI and asking it those specific questions, which CampusKey AI will incorporate, you can see that it easily shows you the monthly rent security deposit, which is $685. And then obviously the lease length, the move in and move out date, late fees, and it gives you a little detailed explanation on that, the pet policy for that as well, their detailed explanation. And then secondly, we're also going to use Claude AI for tenant Q&A assistant, like a tenant Q&A assistant for students. So students constantly ask, like, can I have a cat? When is rent due? What is the penalty if I'm late? How do I request maintenance? So instead of relying on email chains or hunting through PDFs, we pull in from the lease, combine it with the landlord and complex facts, and then we give it to Claude AI as a knowledge. It's basically a knowledge base. And then when students ask with our platforms like, "Am I allowed to have a pet?" When we send Claude AI a prompt like, "You are Campus AI's housing assistant. Answer the students' questions using the provided lease and property facts. And the answer isn't clearly in those documents, say you are not sure and recommend they contact their landlord." And Claude AI responds with something like, "Yes, pets are allowed," with one-time $250 pet fee and then an extra $25 a month in pay rent, something like that. So this is just a couple of examples of what we're going to use Claude AI for in the within the CampusKey AI sector.